Good day, sir. I am Jose Asis, and this is my final exam project for CC214 Data Structure and Algorithm. I will demonstrate the program, how it runs, and explain how each function works. My project is divided into three files: a header file, an implementation file, and a main program. But since I don't have a laptop to do my demonstration on, I compiled all the files into one in Coding C. So first, creating the root leader. When the program starts, it asks for the top leader. This creates the root of the binary tree using the createNode function. CreateNode allocates memory, stores the name, and initializes left, right, commission, and downline count. Next, I will demonstrate the add downline option. When I choose one, the program asks for the sponsor name. It uses the search function to find that sponsor in the tree. If found and there is available left or right slot, the createNode function creates the new member, and it is assigned as left or right child. Every pair of downlines gives the sponsor a commission. Update commission calculates it using commission equals downline count over 2 times 500. Since 500 pesos is the commission per pair, one pair gives 500, two pairs give 1,000 pesos, and so on. The commission is automatically updated every time a member is added. Next, I will demonstrate option 2, View Member Downlines. The program asks for the member's name and again uses the search function. If the member exists, the program prints their left downline, the right downline, and their commission. This function is useful for checking whether a member still has available slots or to verify how much they are currently earning. Now I will show option 3, Display Network Tree. This part uses the display tree function, which is a recursive function that prints the binary tree visually. Each level is indented so it looks like real multi-level structure. This makes the entire multi-level structure system much easier to visualize. It also prints each member's current commission beside their name. Next is inside the main function. The program uses an infinite loop to repeatedly display the menu. Add downline, view downlines, display tree, and exit. Each option calls for the correct function. If the user enters an invalid number, the program prints an error message. The menu continues running until the user selects exit. To summarize, createNode makes each member, search finds any member in the entire tree, add downline adds a new recruit under a sponsor, update commission calculates 500 per pair, display downlines shows the left and right recruits. Display tree prints the whole network visually. This concludes my demonstration.